Indian Public School Behtarai. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Children, today I am going to teach you about water cycle. Yes, so before starting my topic, I just want to ask you few questions. Do we all need water to live? Yes children, we all need water to live because water is very important in our day-to-day life. Children, why do we need water? We need water for cooking, cleaning, drinking and for many other activities. Isn't it children? Yes, but can you tell me from where do we get water? Yes, we get water from river, pond, lake, underground water, that is from well, tube well and etc. Children, do you all know which is the main source of water? Yes, I know all my kids are very intelligent. It is rain. But how do we get rain? Yes, for that we need to understand what is water cycle. So, to make this topic more easier, I am going to explain you this topic in a very simple way. Yes children, this cycle takes place between three things. Oh, do you all know what are those three things? Yes children, those three things are water, sun and wind. Yes, so water present in the land gets evaporated and rise up into the sky. Oh, how the water gets evaporated? Yes, water gets evaporated because of the sun rays. When sun rays fall on the water, water evaporates in the form of water vapor and gets collected in the sky in the form of cloud. Then the wind carries this cloud from one place to another. Then when the cloud gets heavier, drop all the droplets down to the earth in the form of rain. So I think now you all are very clear that from where we receive rainwater. Yes children, do you all know 3/4 of the earth is covered with water? But where this much water is? Yes, this much water is there in ocean. Is ocean water good for use? No, ocean water is not good for use. Why? Because it is very salty. Can we drink that water? Can we use that water for cooking? Can we use that water for cleaning? No. Then, from where we get fresh water? Yes, children. We get fresh water from river, pond, lake, underground water, from well, tube well and etc. But we all are losing fresh water day by day. Children, even you all are wasting water in your daily activities. How? You're asking me? Yes, your teacher is going to tell you. First of all, instead of using buckets, you all are taking showers for bathing. Second, keeping the taps on while brushing and in many other activities. These all are wastage of water. But from today, we should take a pledge that we will save water for our next coming generation. So children, I want all my kids to be a superhero who will save the earth from losing its safe water. Clear children? So by this topic, I just want to tell you all, save water, save life. One more thing your teacher wants to share with you all, that nowadays we are going through a very pandemic period. We all are fighting against coronavirus and we all know that we will win this war very soon. But till that time, we should be safe. How you will be safe? For that, you should stay home, stay safe till we meet next time. Bye bye.